I will never suffer from varicose veins again after learning this. Discover the secret to pain-free, beautiful legs. At HitFit Health, we understand varicose veins can cause discomfort, pain, and self-consciousness. But don't worry, modern treatments are here to save the day. Our minimally invasive procedures are quick, effective, and come with little to no downtime. Imagine saying goodbye to aching heavy legs and hello to newfound confidence and comfort. From cutting-edge laser treatments to sclerotherapy, we offer the best solutions to restore your vein health. And the best part? Our expert network of top-tier hospitals and surgeons ensures you get the care you deserve. Don't ignore the symptoms. Aching, swelling, cramping, and bulging veins are signs it's time to act. Book a consultation with HitFit Health today and take the first step toward healthy, beautiful legs. Say goodbye to varicose veins and hello to a more confident you. Visit HitFit Health now and make the change you've been waiting for.